Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox cannot access game under 16. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the game that you're trying to play has the age rating of 16 less, because sometimes you can't play it just because of the age difference. The second thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head into your privacy settings, and then your account might have a privacy setting which might restrict your account to under 16. You might also want to update your birthday if you're not 16. Also ask your parents or guardians to update it. Finally, if that is not the case, if it is your account managed by your parents, you can simply go ahead and enter your parent PIN and start verifying your account and then playing it. If that doesn't work, you might need to contact Roblox support at this link right here. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.